Hi, I'm Matt. I thought I'd just document this challenge I'm trying to do. Like, I'm going to put $1,000 in and trade it up to 1 million. Like, it's a crazy idea, but at its current markets, how it's at, like, I thought it'd be quite cool just to see how it goes. Probably won't work, who knows? But so I'll put 1,000 in, and the idea is if I make 10%, sell it, and then go into another trade in 73 consecutive trades, it should reach 1 million. Like I said, don't know how possible it is to do, but I think it would just be a bit of fun. It's $1,000. Just I've spent worse. I spent worse on. I've spent more on less before, so I thought I'd try it. I've been messing around the stock market now since the Corona pandemic started, and I got some good returns from there. Just day trading and just investing in general. I kind of got into it through Revolut. I used that as like my main bank for spending because you can hold different currencies and stuff, and you can transfer up to £1,000 a month into other currencies. So I use it for like when I go on holiday and stuff. So I noticed they recently introduced crypto trading and stocks. So I thought I'd try it. So I bought a couple, started off with Neo and Tesla actually, which have done really, really well now. Tesla more so, but I kind of new to it, didn't really understand so much how it worked. I was just investing and then getting these massive returns back. And I realized you can trade it. So if it goes high, sell it when you think it's at its peak, and then buy in a low price, and just backwards and forwards in between that. So I was like, is there another alternative? Like, because with Revolut, there's a fee after a certain amount of trades. So I found one UK-based one, because I'm UK-based, called Trading 212, and you can do unlimited trades with this. And when you sign up for it, you get $100, up to $100 worth of stock, and yeah, all you have to do is deposit $1. So I did that. I think I got a stock worth $50, and then got a few friends to sign up as well. And then I've just started trading stocks and stuff for the last few months. I can just do it like after work. It's quite fun and the numbers are interesting, so it's good. And it's as long as I got more than what I'd get leaving my money in the bank, I was quite happy with return. So if I get like 2% over the year increase in my money I've put in, pretty good, because I think the most I can get at the moment is like 0.4%, which isn't a lot. Like inflation is faster than that, so your money's depreciating in the bank. So yeah, I use Trading 200. I'll leave a link at the bottom actually, because if you sign up for it, if you've not used it before, you can sign up to it, and you'll get a stock worth up to $100 as well. So what's also good about Trading 212 is you can open an ISA account, stocks and shares ISA account. So any profits you do make are totally tax free. So you can put up to £20,000 a year, and once so you can make £1 million and it's 20 grand, and you wouldn't get taxed on it at all. It's totally tax free. So anyway, that's what I'm using as my platform. And the whole idea with this is like, I'm going to put $1,000 in, earn 10%, sell the trade, and go into another stock. Just hold it in my account. I don't have to jump into something straight away. I'll see when I see a good opportunity, I'll buy in, and if it goes up. So I've got a couple of rules I think I'm setting up for myself. So I, of course, buy the first stock. Once it reaches 10%, I sell it off. The only time I'll sell it for less, if it's been standing too long, for like a month, let's say, I will sell it. As long as it's in the green, I'll sell it and then buy into another stock I think it's got good potential. Another way I'd sell it, like more than 10%, is if in the pre-market it gains traction over the 10%. So if, let's say, I bought a stock, it's gone up at 9%, but it's still not reached that last 1%, and then for some reason there's a catalyst, like some good news, I will sell it, and it jumps up 20%, I will sell it, of course, at the higher what it sell at that, because it's past the 10% marker. So the trades could take 73 is ideal, like to make $1 million, but obviously it's going to take a lot longer than that. Like, you've got to be so lucky to do 73 YOLO like trades. So yeah, that's another rule, is like, I'm throwing all the money in. I don't split it up. I don't buy half and then put the next half in if it drops. I don't dollar cost averaging or anything like that. I'm just going all in. That's like half the fun of it. Just like $1,000, put it all in. If I lose it all, I've lost $1,000. I've tried. If I make money, it's good. So, and it's less emotional attachment to it. So if I was, let's say I've made $500,000 and I'm doing these like risky, it's risky doing it like not diversifying. So I put like a whole amount in. Really, I've only put £1,000 in, dollars in overall. So I think it's really interesting. So yeah, I thought I'd do an introduction kind of thing of what I'm doing. Maybe no one will watch this. Maybe it's just something I can look back at and be like, fuck, I made quite a lot of money doing this, or it was just a bit of fun. Give you an excuse to like mess around on YouTube as well. So yeah, if anyone is watching this, if you look at the description, there's a link to Trading 212. Might be of interest to anyone, even if you're just investing like in the blue chip stocks, but it's much safer like Apple and stuff. It's really good to do it for the ISA, which they provide if you're in the UK anyway. Yeah, it's tax free. Why wouldn't you invest in it? And the current climate of things in the market, like it's quite easy to make money on it. I've heard if it's like a bear market, it wouldn't be. It's a lot harder to like make gains and stuff. But overall, it's pretty easy right now. Apparently, it'd be quite amazing to lose money in the last 6 months or so. So yeah, if you're interested in following the journey of my losses or my wins, it'd be cool if you could like it or subscribe to see how this thing goes. Like, I'll probably post an update. Oh, of course, I'm going to post updates when I make a trade, when I sell a trade, and let's say I've bought a stock and there's nothing to sell after a week or whatever. I'll probably do an update at the end of a week or whenever I feel like something decent's happened or some major shifts or like any catalyst news and stuff like that to see how it goes. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I thought it'd be quite cool to document it all anyway. So yeah, cool. All right, bye.